Mutation, any change in inheritable traits within a population across generations. Well, what is that exactly? Let's start by looking at this picture. We could see that everything on Earth relates to a common ancestor. Now, evolution doesn't tell us who the common ancestor is or what it was, but it tells us how it became diverse from it to now.
When a normal cell divides, it goes through a series of steps, including a duplication of its DNA, which contains the genetic instructions used in the development and functioning of living organisms. The end result of the cell division is the formation of two identical daughter cells.
This video is very accurate, although it's not always the same all the time. Well, let's start off by talking about DNA. DNA is like a recipe for, French toast. French toast. Every cell has DNA in it, and that DNA tells how the cell should be made.
Like a blueprint?
Exactly. But sometimes when copying the DNA, it can become distorted, which is called a mutation.
Oh, I get it. So basically what you're saying is that in the first creature, a mutation happened. And when that mutation happened, it kept happening. And since the first ancestor is completely different because mutations happen, which makes it different to the DNA, which creates the body different.
Basically. Anyway,
But something still doesn't make sense. Why aren't we like bookshelf lizard snake thingies?
well, that's easy. It's all thanks to natural selection, founded by the famous Charles Darwin.
Oh yeah, he's the guy who wrote Harry Potter, right?
Natural selection is the brain of nature itself. If a bad mutation happens, like an extra leg that drags the creature down, then the creature dies, and the mutation dies out with it. But if the mutation is good, then the creature will live on. Hey, wait a second. What's that sound? Oh, that's my flight. Okay, see you at my speech.